Houston, we got a review. Today, boy, we got that Blazer Mid 77 and the Roswell Rayguns colorway. Anyways, let's get to what's inside the box. First, let's take this bullshit off. All right, aliens and gentlemen. First thing out of the box is the shoe. Let me tell you what. Nike got me again. They fucking got me. On the pictures, they show up all yellow. This right here. Obviously, as you can see here, it's not. But when I ordered them, from the pictures, I thought it was a, I don't know, like some sort of fabric, like the ones on the varsity jacket, like a patch or something, kind of like this. And when they get here, I look at them, I see they're shiny. I'm like, no fucking way. And I do this. Well, actually, there was a piece that was like this. I thought it was just, at first, when I first looked at it, it was a part of the design. Some sort of slime, you know, on the shoe. But upon further inspection, noticed it was this type of, whatever this is called, I don't know, those girly pillows. So yeah, it's kind of girly, but we don't assume genders around here. I'm just gonna say whatever gets me more subscribers. So yeah, you know, these are unisex as far as I care. Still probably rock them. Pretty nice. Keep them around. I don't know if these things fall easily or not. I'm kind of scared of that. But yeah, obviously that's the biggest feature. The biggest shock. Was not expecting that. Just to make you guys aware, I don't know if they fall out. I don't think any have fallen out. I'm looking down right now because I mess with them. But that's the most prominent feature on the shoe, I'm guessing. I would say, I guess. And after that, we got this. I need to cut my nail. Alien basketball. On the description of the shoe, it says they're going after the 70s basketball theme. You got that alien. You know, these are the Roswell Rayguns. All these didn't turn. And on the other side, it's just the leather check mark, green. The back, orange, red, infrared kind of, I'd say. Got a yellow tongue, Nike tag on the inside. You already know. Rayguns. Let me see. That off. Yeah. Rayguns. I don't know, just your average blazer with yellow stitching, white, leather, felt, whatever, suede on the toe, like pretty much all the other ones. On the sides, bottom, just a basic cream color. It's pretty much it on the features. Let's get to see if there's anything inside the box, anything special. I haven't really opened them. Nope, same thing on the other one. See how they came a little different. I mean, a flip-flop. I mean, it's just white shoes. Should be easy to rock. Simple shoe, but a really cool design, I guess. And you know, people love aliens. I like the aliens. Alien basketball, say on the tongue. Nike again. Yellow tongue, green. This one says Rayguns on the inside. Well, that was fast. Fast review. And yellow aglets are the features. Should be pretty easy to rock. White shoes. I don't wear a lot of white shoes, but you know, pretty easy to rock. But yeah, let's get to what they look like on feet. Alright, this is what they look like on feet. Got the dad fit going on, you know what I'm saying, with the light jeans. Yellow tongue, yellow swoosh logo. Got the green one. Front. You know, skinny jeans, baby. Probably rock this with skinny jeans or regular jeans. Back shot. No homo. But yeah, there you go. Got the yellow swoosh and the green. Biggest features, got the basketball. The alien basketball. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the review. It was a pretty simple shoe to review. You know, simple fire. I like them a lot. They're pretty cool. Let me know what y'all think of the swoosh, whatever this is called. Confetti. Y'all rocking it green. Y'all rocking it yellow. Y'all not rocking it at all. Some of them get stuck. It's kind of hard to flip them. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You know, trying to get them views, trying to get more shoes, more guns. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below what y'all think. Alright, see y'all later on the next review. Peace out.